Come students, now we will start class 8 geography chapter 1st resources. First I will explain to your term resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resources. For example, water, vegetable, textbook, electricity. They all are the example of resources because they all are used by us, so they have a utility. Utility or usability makes an object or substance a resources. So all the things become a resources when they have a value. All the resources having a value. Some resources have an economic value. Some resources have a economic value while some do not. Example, metals may have an economic value but a beautiful landscape may not. But both satisfy the human needs, so these are considered as a resources. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. Means after some time they are more valuable. Example, your grandmother home remedies are not economically valuable today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, so they could become economically valuable. Patented means an exclusive right over any invention or idea. So now there are two factors that make a substance to the resources. These two factors are time and technology. For example, discovery of fire, cooking. When fire was discovered, no one knew that use for it. But however, now it is used for cooking. Discovery of wheel. When it was discovered, no one knew how that it would be become a part of our day-to-day life. But now it was used to transportations. Water has been used to convert electricity, and now we have a hydroelectric power generations. So every substance which given to a time and technology has capacity to convert into a resources. So some resources can become economically valuable with time, and technology are two important factors which can change substances into a resources. Technology means it, it is an application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making a thing, that is known as a technology.